Good, you're all here.
I'll tell you later.
Sorry I'm late. Well, to start with, I have a couple of pieces of good news. Leonard from the shop is sending us over a new prototype. He thinks he has a breakthrough on the Rolly-Do-Whatchamacallit project.
I think they're calling it the wheel.
That'll never fly. One of the R&D boys came up with the idea of adding a fifth side. They're testing it this afternoon.
Excellent.
Moog and Mookie think they may have a way to deal with the climate change problem. But we still have to solve the big problem.
Yes.
Our population continues to plummet. Now I know that we've learned that playing practical jokes on the pterodactyls doesn't help. But obviously, we need to make new cavemen. The question is how?
I have an idea. We make cavemen out of rocks.
Oh, yes? Go ahead.
Well, you shape them to look like a man, use moss for the hair, and...
Okay. But how do you get them to move?
I haven't figured that out yet.